This is Excel Core Lesson 5, Step by Step, Using Functions. Please be sure to review the Using Functions page for the items that you should be able to do on your own when you complete the lesson. In this case, we're going to use sum, count, average, minimum, and maximum functions, or min and max. Please also review the screenshot, in this case of the formula tab in Excel 2016. Be sure that you're able to identify those things that are labeled, as well as the different groups and commands on this ribbon. We are only having one page of step-by-step summarizing data with functions today. All right, I am going to start in the step-by-step area by opening the 05 Budget Start Workbook. So I'll go to my Lesson 5 data files and I'll open that file. Returning to my step-by-step. All right, in the spreadsheet, we are initially going to work with the sum function. In cell B7, I can locate it by aligning column B with row 7, or I can go to the name box and type B7. Once in B7, I'm going to type equal sum, open parentheses, E3 colon B6. And then I'm going to close my parentheses and press enter. I get a total of 2,140. This is the sum of all of my January non-utility expenses. All right, now let's click in cell C7 and let's this time go to the formulas tab. This is my formula bar. I'm going to go all the way up to my formula tab. Let's click there. Now let's click here where it says auto sum. Notice that it only sums the adjacent cell since there is a break here. So I'm going to go into my parentheses and I'm going to type C3 and a colon so that it picks that whole range. This is not in the step-by-step instructions, but I am going to show you that you could click in cell D7, start your sum, and you can select the rank. I forgot my parentheses, very important. Let's hit escape. And let's undo equal sum parentheses, and then I can select using my mouse by dragging. Hit enter. It does complete the last parentheses. It will not do the first one for you. What's an easy way I can populate all the rest of my non-utility subtotals? If you said autofill, you're correct. I do want the subtotal of all of my totals as well. But if I were to copy that from here, it would also copy my formatting and turn this blue. And I don't want that. So I'm going to copy that from here. So I'm getting the sum that way. All right, let's save the file. We are being asked to save the file with a new name. So we're going to do File tab, Save As. They're saying flash drive, but of course we're going to save it to our class folder. Last name, first name, Excel S20 folder. And they're telling us to name the file 05 budget math solution. Are we done? No, hold on. Beginning of the file name, please type your last name, first name.